put the spotlight then on the stock that demands all the attention. Today's listing, Ireda, a stellar debut, and the renewables company has been in the spotlight of late, and the DIPAM secretary spoke to ET now saying that they are following a calibrated way of disinvestment. Listen into this exclusive.
First of all, congratulations for the listing. Now IREDA is a part of a listed entity. What is the next target for government?
Well, I think today we should really a little bit soak in the listing of this enterprise, which has been pending for some time. We are glad that it has come on a moment when COP28 begins. This is a very important organization in renewable sector space, a pure play green financing, and we see a lot of growth going forward for this organization.
Right. As you have mentioned before also that you do not keep any target for the whole year. Although, I mean, government goes with the parliament direction. It is every year the budget is presented. But do you think that this year there is a scope of revision of that budgetary target?
Well, as I said that, one, we are looking at both the targets together, which is both the non-tax revenue and the disinvestment receipts, which is the miscellaneous capital receipts. So put together, we have, say, about 94,000 crore. We've done about 32,000 crore and we'll continue to perform good in dividends. And disinvestment will much depend upon what are the opportunities going forward we have.
Right. Recently, you have withdrawn RFP for IDBI Bank, which is one of the key consideration of the government, one of the key considerate of going ahead with the target. So, do you think that IDBI divestment is in place, and why that RFP was taken away?
It's factually incorrect. There is no withdrawal of RFP for the IDBI Bank. As you know, that IDBI Bank is under strategic disinvestments, both government and LIC. And there are already bidders who have given the expression of interest.
So it is only asset valuer which is taken?
It's only one of the intermediaries that helps, and that's a parallel activity. So there's nothing to do with this. And that is like, we have different intermediaries like transaction TA, which is transaction advisor. We have a legal advisor. We have an auditor. We have an asset valuer. So it's one of the RFPs for asset valuer which was revised, and very soon it will come again. We looked at it, we didn't have sufficient bids, so therefore we have re-looked at it, and I think possibly as soon as next week, that again RFP will be out.
Okay, and last question is on LIC. Last time, it has definitely helped government in the target. Now that it is more than 1.5 years, the LIC is listed and it is performing well in all parameters. Is there a consideration later that FPO is in the minds of government?
At the moment, no.
Okay, thank you so much for talking to us.